Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by cleansing your face so the scrub sits on skin, not dirt. Combine 1 tablespoon granular sugar with 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Stir until slightly pasty. You use sugar for mechanical exfoliation and lemon for mild brightening, so the texture matters. Once mixed, test a pea-size amount on your inner wrist for up to 15 seconds and rinse. This checks sensitivity before you apply to your face, preventing irritation. You now apply small dots of the mixture to forehead, cheeks, and chin, avoiding the eye area because lemon is acidic. Then, using your fingertips, massage gently in small circular motions for 30 to 45 seconds, enough to remove dead skin but not to abrade live tissue. Make sure to keep pressure light. Heavier pressure increases redness and microtears. Once done, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until all granules are gone. Then pat dry so you finish by applying a soothing, non-comedogenic moisturizer or pure aloe vera to restore the skin barrier and reduce post-exfoliation redness. Make sure to avoid sun exposure immediately. Use SPF the next day because lemon increases photosensitivity. If you experience burning, intense redness, or swelling, rinse with cool water and stop using the mix. This is how you prevent chemical or physical damage. If irritation persists beyond 24 hours,
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.